Is your Mi TV remote not working? Most issues are easily fixed with these quick troubleshooting steps. First, understand that most Mi TV remotes use infrared technology. This means they need a clear line of sight between the remote and your TV's sensor. The most common fix is checking your batteries. Ensure they're correctly inserted with proper polarity and have sufficient power. Clean your remote and its buttons with a dry cloth to remove any dirt or residue that might interfere with button presses. Make sure there are no obstructions between your remote and the TV's infrared sensor. Even small objects can block the signal. These quick fixes solve most remote issues. If your remote still isn't working after trying these steps, you may need more advanced troubleshooting solutions. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, advanced solutions can resolve persistent remote issues. For Bluetooth remotes, repairing is often the most effective solution. To repair your Mi Bluetooth remote, press and hold both the Mi button and the Home button simultaneously for several seconds. The Mi button is typically the one with the Xiaomi logo. You should see pairing indicators on your TV screen. Wait for the confirmation message before testing the remote functionality. If repairing doesn't work, a complete remote reset may be necessary. This process clears all stored data and returns the remote to factory settings. First, remove the batteries from your remote completely. This ensures all power is disconnected from the device. Next, press and hold the power button for 20 to 30 seconds. This discharges any remaining electrical charge stored in the remote's circuits. Finally, reinsert the batteries and attempt to pair the remote again using the previous pairing method. When your physical remote fails, the Mi Remote Controller smartphone app provides an excellent alternative solution. Download the Mi Remote Controller app from your device's app store. The app works with most smartphones that have infrared capability. The app provides full remote functionality, including volume control, channel changing, and menu navigation, making it a reliable backup solution. If all software solutions fail, hardware alternatives can provide permanent solutions for remote control issues. Universal remotes are compatible with most Mi TV models and offer reliable long-term functionality. They're available at electronics stores and online retailers. For persistent issues that none of these solutions resolve, contacting Xiaomi support directly can provide device-specific troubleshooting or replacement options.